What's up YouTube, it's Manny here. Hey, what we got going on today? A little mini install on the Evo 8, nothing too crazy. My buddy hit me up saying if I wanted ARC Radiator Cooling plate. They don't make it anymore, discontinued. He got a polished look. He got his own little replacement, but let's check it out. This is what we got. Ain't nothing crazy with it. Super nice material. No flaw, no defect to it, and it should look amazing on this. So let's get to it. Overall, clean install, super neat. All right, YouTube, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let me know what you guys think, what you guys saw today, and what you guys think of the radiator cooling plate. Have a good one. Peace.